Alright, boys and girls, class is in session. So, I should have recorded the original video. The two R wires that come from the thermostat and the condenser should not be taken out and added to one leg to the safety float switch and the other leg to the red to R. Because with these boards, the safety float switch, it's not tripped. The board is smarter and it knows better. It doesn't trip the unit. You have to connect it directly to the transformer back there, which this is that 24 volts, right? That comes in from the transformer, that that blue and yellow wire. If you do not do that, the unit will not shut off if there is a drain backup. Super important, because then we'll be liable.